What is it?
It's T. Say T.
T.
T. Toy.
T toy?
Yeah. That's what it is.
It is?
Yeah.
You want to say hello to somebody?
No, I can't.
Say hello to Gigi.
Hello, Gigi.
Say you miss her.
I miss her.
Now, what are you going to show me?
Come on, get up and let me show you, okay?
Show me what?
T-toy. Come on.
Okay.
Come on. This is T-toy.
I have no idea. Oh! You're having tea. You're having tea time.
But we moved this because that was a toy.
Oh, that's cool. Callie, you like it?